Dow Jones and Nasdaq traded with a fairly modest bearish bias and a very narrow zone. You can see on the upside, see 38,400, which has always been a good resistance since yesterday, and 17,800 proven out to be a good resistance today as well. And we have seen prices retracing a bit from the resistance levels. Now, but I do not see still the indice is trading bearish. So, can we expect a pullback from the current levels? Can we expect a rise, or there is a further drop awaited? What is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading Nasdaq 100 and Dow Jones? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update for the day, and this is the only channel in the world which gives you twice a day updates and targets with accuracy and precision for indices, specifically Nasdaq 100 and Dow Jones. So do subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon which keeps you updated with the notifications, or join the free Telegram channel for live updates. Do like, share, and comment, which is always a great motivation and support from you all. And yes, you can be part of the free Telegram channel and join the channel memberships here on YouTube as well, which support the effort. Let's start. First, we'll look into Tech 100, followed with Dow Jones. Now, see Tech 100 on the hourly charts. Just divide this into two. Split here, split from here. What you can see, almost symmetrical move here. Right now, it is positioned here. It is positioned here, and thus once it breaks on the downside below 740 levels, you can take a sell entry. I have mentioned yesterday as well, 17,740, 720, and 700. Very good support here exists. Below 17,700 is where we can look forward to 650 and 600 as the next milestone. And see, it is symmetrical. It also means that it can give you a breakout on the upside. So once it stays above 17,800, in fact, I will recommend you to buy here at 17. See, 17,800 should be an ideal entry. 800, 820, 840. These are the two levels it needs to break in order to establish. Let's have a further look. MACD here is trading bearish. See, despite being in the range, the indicators have cooled and it can reverse as well. The RSI has dropped as well. The stochastic has dropped as well. Now trying to recover. Coming to 2-hour chart. Likewise on the 2-hour charts, 20 period moving average right now giving it a support, and see previous candle is a greener candle. It can give you a breakout on the upside. We have to be watchful, careful, alert. Any move beyond 17,800 should bring more bullishness. What has happened here on the 2-hour charts, if you look at the movement, MACD is, you can see the moving averages are trading with divergence and are staying bullish. See the rise, the retracement, the rise, it is stabilized here. It can give a breakout, but right now I can see definitely a very good resistance there. MACD is bearish after seeing the highs. It has dropped here sharply. RSI has dropped as well. Stochastic has dropped as well. Coming to 3 hour. On the 3-hour charts, we can look at lower highs, lower lows, increasing body size here, but I can see that the prices are not very much interested in staying bearish, though the current candle could be the one which can take it further lows. How low? 17,700 is appears to be an achievable level, but I will recommend you to only sell at 17,740 levels. If you see the higher prices below 17,740, you can take a selling entry. And then also 720, 700 to very good support. Below that 650, 640 levels to be seen, the next support. And as I've shown here, see a symmetrical formation is what you can see. We have to wait for a breakdown. MACD here has just crossed over, trading with divergence. Bearish RSI has dropped. Stochastic has dropped as well. On the 4-hour charts also, if you look at, similar is the observation, though right now on the downside a little support can be observed, but here if it breaks, it is going to be a bigger one. As for a reversal, it has to be a very strong bullish move. Right now it is showing all signs of bearishness. MACD also crossing over here for sell. RSI is crossing over. Stochastic has crossed over as well. Coming to daily, the daily charts is the one which is still suggestive of slight bullishness. And before we look into daily charts, and I share the trading levels and strategy, if you want to learn this art of trading, you can be part of my 31st mentorship batch starting coming Monday, first Monday of May 2024. And in this batch, we are going to teach all the tools, techniques, strategies, and the trade setups with the help of which you can identify the profitable trades and you can trade profitably. Do not miss this learning journey. Cherish the learning for life. Do join this mentorship batch. Else, you can be part of my signals channel where trading as per the signals you can benefit. So, write an email or ping me on Telegram for any of your queries related to the services. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. And many of you have also asked me to recommend a broker with this safe, secure, with global presence, which offers a sweat-free account with the lowest spread, so then you can save your much of money you're paying as a fees to your broker. So do join to the link and you'll get the lowest spreads on offer. Now coming to the daily charts here. On the daily charts, look at the candles here. Bullishness getting diminished with every candle, but at the same time, higher lows are observed higher highs are observed here. Support levels 17,700, 17,650, very very strong, below which only we should say that now tech 100 is turning bearish. Else, see, for the day it has formed a tail and it can give you a break on the upside. Now see, these are the resistances from where the prices have started to retrace. It is very very important for our tech 100 to break beyond 17,800, 820 and 850 levels. If it breaks this three zone, we can say that it is turning bullish. See, MACD crossing over here at the bottom, this suggests that there is still further. RSI also is suggestive that it can rise, and stochastic is the one which is slightly overbought. So looking at this, buy at 17,800 without any second thoughts. 17,820 and 850 is just you should watch out for. Beyond 17,850, we are looking at 17,900, 920 levels, and in fact, we can look forward to 18,000 levels as well. On the downside, a selling entry I will recommend is below 17,730, 740 levels. So rather, you can sell at 17,740, but 720,700 is a very, very good support. Below 17,700 is where the bearishness will increase, and you can look forward to 17,660, 640 zone, below which you can say that more bearishness can be seen. Take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at Dow. So US30 on the hourly charts consistently getting resistance here, but the support on the downside at 38,300 is also very strong. So this zone between 38,300 and 400 is critical for US30 to move beyond. MACD has seen the bearishness, it can cross over for the buys. Right now it is on sell. RSI has dropped, stochastic is showing a rise. Coming to 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts here, yes, I can see it taking support from the 20 period moving average. You can see this happening here, you can see this happening. And remember, if it breaks out beyond 38,400, 450 zone, this is going to be a stronger rise, which is going to take the prices towards 38,600. See, rise, consolidation, and a breakout is going to be stronger. If not today, then soon. And at the same time, one must also notice that, see, the drop here and the retracement is gradual. If it breaks here below 38,300 and 38,200 rather, I will say, there could be a sharper fall which is in waiting and a crash which is in waiting. MACD almost flat, RSI dropping here, stochastic dropping here. So it appears that US30 is awaiting a breakout whichever direction it takes. On the 3-hour charts, it appears that a reversal sign, couple of bullish candles, preceding candle closing on flat, appears that it can give you a bullish breakout. Be watchful, but these are markets, you have to wait for it to give a breakout. Don't just jump in, because see, if it gives a negative breakout, your stop losses are going to hit. So you can take a sell entry at 38,300 levels and a buying entry at 38,400. That is very very clear. MACD almost flat, stochastic dropping, RSI is dropping as well. On the 4-hour, similar is the observation. Higher lows are seen, and a reversal cannot be denied here. But we have to be trading with caution here, because see, these three candles getting resistance, perfect resistance on the upside towards 38,400, 410 zone, suggests that there are greater resistances available here. At the same time, we must notice the support levels here as intact as well. So our drop below 38,300 is where we can initiate a selling entry. MACD here almost flat. RSI is dropping and stochastic is moved to overbought zone. Coming to the daily chart. On the daily charts, sharper drop and then this retracement here. Bullishness getting diminished with these two candles. There is a wick and a tail on the downside. Right now it's staying within the zone here, 20 period moving average, giving it a support. Where it can move towards, it can move towards the 50 period moving average, 38,500, and then this double top levels and a greater resistance zone at 38,600. That is the level which are achievable and which are going to remain a greater resistance here. Why this is achievable? Look at the MACD crossing over here at the bottom, trading with divergence suggestive of bullishness. RSI flat, stochastic rising. So looking at this, for the day, I will recommend a selling entry at 38,300 levels and a buying entry at 38,400 levels here. 400, 410 zone you should watch out for. Rather wait for 38,410 to be taken on the upside and 38,310 on the downside. So let's make it 100 points. 410 and 310 is the levels here. Below 38,310, you can look forward to 38,275 first targets, 38,240 the next, 38,200 the next. And if it drops below 38,200, we can say that the bears might try to take over there, and then you can look forward to a fall towards 38,100 levels and lower as well. Chances for which appears to be less, but these are markets. On the upside, you can buy here at 38,410, 410, then 450, two levels you should watch out for. Then you can look forward to 525 as the first target, Beyond that, 600 will be seen. So take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join the free mentorship, free signals group there. Join the premium signals group as well. And yes, do join the channel membership channel on YouTube. Every day, watch the first update with the Asia and Europe session. Then subscribe to the channel. Press the bell icon. Do like, share, and comment. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank you.